If you are light skin and you're looking for a very good shower gel that is going to help to brighten your skin, help you to get rid of any form of dead skin cells, and also make your skin softer, a shower gel that is packed with a lot of goodness, so that you'll be able to get value for your money. Guys, you want to watch this video to the end, because on this video I'm going to be mentioning 5 amazing shower gel that is packed with a lot of goodness that is going to help you achieve that beautiful and healthy skin of your choice. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you will want to watch this video to the end. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Tasha P. Here on this channel we share skincare tips, we also do product review, and we give product recommendation and also advice on healthy lifestyle that you can incorporate into your skincare routine in order to get that beautiful, healthy and glowy skin of your choice. And if this sound like any of the things you're interested in, guys, and you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. Don't forget to like my videos as well, so that YouTube can recommend my videos to as many as possible. So let's dive into why we're here. The first on the list that we have here, guys, is the Golden Glow Exfoliating Shower Gel. This shower gel has citric acid, AHA, and fruit acid in it. It is packed with a lot of other essential ingredients in it. It's going to help to even out your skin tone. It's going to help to improve your skin texture. Okay, and this particular shower gel is sold for as low as 10 to 13,000 naira depending on your location. And if you have a normal skin, you can go ahead and use it. If you have a combination skin, you can go ahead and use it. Even those with oily skin, you can go ahead and use it. Those that have a sensitive skin, I think you will want to do a patch test before you go ahead and use it. So the number 2 on the list, guys, is the Vid Gold Amino Acid and Glycolic Acid Shower Gel. Because of the amino acid and the glycolic acid in it, it's going to help to exfoliate your skin, because amino acid and glycolic acid are chemical exfoliants. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. It also helps to neutralize your skin and reduce wrinkles, pigmentation, dark spot, and it also reduces the appearance of green veins. It is sold for 9 to 12,000 naira. The next, guys, the number 3 is the Bismuth Shower Gel. This shower gel is going to help to remove dullness from the skin. It's going to also exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to brighten up your skin. If you use it with other lightening products, it is going to go a long way to give you a shade or 2 lighter. It is also sold for 7 to 10,000 naira depending on your location. 4th on the list, guys, is the K Brothers Shower Gel. This shower gel contains vitamin C, carrot extract in it, and it also has the papaya flavor depending on the one you want. This particular shower gel is virtually almost everywhere. You can get it at the mall or with your online vendors. It is sold for as low as 5 to 7,000 naira depending on your location. The 5th, guys, is the Vid Gold Glutathione Shower Gel. This shower gel is going to help to brighten your skin as well. It's going to help to improve your skin texture, hydrate your skin, and help to get rid of any form of impurities. It deep cleanses the skin. Shower gel has detoxifying properties in it, and because of the glutathione, we know that glutathione is a very good lightening agent. This shower gel is going to lighten your skin, take away any form of dullness in your skin. It's also soften your skin, tackle uneven skin tone. It is sold for 9 to 13,000 naira depending on your location. Quickly, before we wrap up this video, let's talk about how to use your shower gel in a way that it will work well for you and you also see result. Now, Personally, I love to use my shower gel in my night routine because most of those shower gel has exfoliating properties in them. Like those shower gel that has exfoliating properties in them, I will advise you not to use it every day. Okay, you can use it maybe 4 times in a week and only at night. But if the shower gel doesn't have any exfoliating property in it, it's fine, you can go ahead and use it. But personally, I love to use it in my night routine. Remember, we talk about double cleansing. Okay, so when you get into the shower, you first of all want to cleanse with your daily moisturizing bar soap, which I always recommend either the Dove bar soap or the Coulson's baby bar soap or the Johnson's bar soap or Lux, any mild bar soap that you know you can use, okay, that doesn't contain any harsh chemical or active in it. So you first of all go with your bar soap before you go with your shower gel. So I first of all do my first cleansing, pre-cleansing with that particular one. Then when I'm doing my deep cleansing, that's when my shower gel now comes in. Okay, if you do it that way, you first of all take off the excessive dirt that you accumulated in your skin during the daytime. Okay, and then once you are able to get rid of all those dirts, then you go ahead and use your shower gel. That way all the ingredients, all the goodness in your shower gel will penetrate deep into your skin and you will see results. And if you also have a very stubborn skin, there are people that have a very stubborn skin, then you are not using a strong lightening cream and you want your shower gel to work for you, I will advise you to get a very good lightening serum or a very good oil. Okay, I'll be putting pictures of any of this that you can use. This particular oil, this white now oil, so you can use half of it. Divide your shower gel into 2. Okay, look for another container, then you pour half into a bowl, then you pour half of that oil into the shower gel. You mix it together and pour it into a separate container and use it. Be using it at night only and don't use it every day. 4 times or 3 times in a week is fine. Okay, once you are done with the first batch, you can go ahead and use the second batch. Don't mix all of it at the same time. Okay, do it in 2 halves so that the shower gel won't go bad. Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, guys, thank you so much. And if you are still yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys, please subscribe. Okay, and make sure you like my videos. If you have any questions regarding skincare or this particular video, you can drop your questions at the comment section. I'm going to be at the comment section replying your messages. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.